Hey there everyone, Joe Mazer here again from josephbuyshomes.com. Hey, today I wanted to talk to you about a situation that comes up and as of recent has been coming up a lot more often due to the current environment. But first, if you ever need to sell your house fast or just want some information about real estate in general, or maybe even want to chat about something you think we could help with, please don't hesitate to visit us on the web at josephbuyshomes.com or give us a call and we'll try to help you the best way we can. But that situation that I had mentioned is foreclosure. With the current environment, with COVID, with the unemployment rates as high as they are, foreclosure is on the rise and may be on the rise. We've been getting a lot more calls regarding people that may be facing foreclosure in the future. So we're here to kind of tell you some things you may be able to do on your own that may help. And if those aren't options for you, how we could help too. So a couple things that you might be able to do is one, bankruptcy. So you may want to file for bankruptcy, although this option is pretty extreme. That bankruptcy does stay on your credit report for a long while and may affect your future potential to get mortgages, to get loans, even possibly renting and other things in your life. So that is pretty extreme, and you can learn more probably on the web or talk to an attorney. We always suggest seeking legal counsel for extreme cases like that. Two, you could do a short sale. And what a short sale is you work with the lender to agree on a price to sell your home at a reduced price lower than what you owe. So that's an option too. And again, that will stay in your credit for a little while, but that is a potential option if you owe more than what the house is worth. And number three, you could work out a deal with your lender. So you could sit down with your lender and figure out a payment plan or maybe an extended duration for your loan at a reduced price so you can actually afford those payments. Now, if none of those three options work, maybe you want to sell your house and you want to sell it fast before the lender can take over that property. So if that is the case, then contact us at josephbuyshomes.com and we can help you. We can buy your house fast, pay cash, close extremely quickly, and you won't have to make any repairs. You won't have to pay closing costs, real estate commissions, or anything like that. So again, contact us, visit us on the web, and we can help you if you just want to sell your house and avoid foreclosure in Metro Detroit. So we look forward to hearing from you and helping you as best we can. Take care.